Steam is down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Steam servers right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Steam. So I already went to Google and searched for Steam down. And as you can see here, many users reported some problems at Steam. Right now, there are over 3,000 reports, and most reported problems are at server connection and login and also purchase. If you scroll down, you will see some comments from people who also have issues with Steam. So, in conclusion, you are not the only one who has problems with Steam. You don't have to worry about it because they will fix this issue as soon as possible, and you just have to wait until they fix it. So if you do have issues with it, you can comment in the comment section down below with your error message, with your problem. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.